Because LogScope is able to integrate with many cloud systems, we thought we'd use this video to illustrate what can be done by using the TGS system to download some public domain data and the well-to-desk system to actually put that data back to. So we're going to access the TGS system by pushing the TGS button, and this will bring up a map so that we can see where we are. The wells we want to access are in the USA, so we move to the USA. To search for wells, we can use the search button and we use the polygon. And we draw a polygon around the area that we wish to have the wells. It then asks us for additional details, and it then pulls up those wells. We can zoom in on those wells by pressing the zoom button and all wells. And now we want to actually download some wells, so we can select and we can choose a variety of options, but we're going to lasso the wells. And we draw a lasso around the wells that we want to download, and then we just let it go and download. Whilst it's downloading, the next step is to look at the wells in the project viewer and then change to the map view so we can generate a cross-section. So in the cross-section view, it automatically scales to all the wells that you've got displayed, and we just pick a line and we draw it from the top to the bottom. We want the cross-section north on the left, south on the right, and we then circle the wells, which is done by just drawing a lasso around all the wells, and it will do a basic projection cross-section into the line that we've drawn. The next step is that we just hit the cross-section button, and away we go. In this case, I've actually got a template called TGS, and I use this to display these wells in a cross-section. And here it is, all the wells in cross-section with the logs associated with them. And we can scroll up and down and around in the cross-section. Once back in the map view, we are going to select one well by right-clicking on the well's point, and we're going to open the well so that we can actually see it as a single well display, which is here. I'm going to display the full scale so that we can see the whole well from top to bottom. And the next step that we do is that we want to archive it, and we're going to share, and then we choose well to desk, and that allows us to archive the data into well to desk and provide a basic comment here, and that's essentially the well uploaded and saved in well to desk.